Welcome back, 2021. We are going to pick up where we left off. Have today be more of a refresher more than anything else, but stuff you've seen in the past. So this should be hopefully easy. But if not, that's where we're going to spend today and tomorrow, just going over some of the stuff we learned before break. So that said, we're going to start with investigation 4 today, which is found on page 61. It's going to be explained in your details of the instructions for today. We're going to start off with this. So I got some examples that look like the whole group work right here, and then just a basic word question and remembering how to represent exponential decay equations when looking at word questions and patterns. So first things first, we have to figure out what is going on here, all right, how this is going down. And, if I can't see, we know it's not linear because it's not going down by 125 every single time, so then we're just going to divide 375 divided by 500, and I get an answer of 0.75. So 0.75 is your decay factor, okay? So then your equation for this would just be f of x equals your initial starting, which was 500, and your decay factor is 0.75 to the power of x. Now, if you would have done 500 divided by 375, you would have gotten a number bigger than 1, and you know that that's not correct. That's why you know to always just double check. Wait a second, this is going down, so my factor has to be less than 1. That's how you know which way to do it, because you're going to make that mistake. Totally understandable. Go this way. So now that we know it goes down by 0.75 every time, I can just continue this pattern. I can multiply this by 0.75, and I get an answer of 210.94. Now these are all estimated answers, all right, and I keep going. This is 158.21, and then when I did this times this again, I did 118.66, and last but not least, my sixth one is 88.99. Again, these are all estimated, but it's good enough. Okay, so that's how you do that as a refresher. Hopefully that is easy peasy for you. Now over here. Here's a basic word question, okay, and it says the amount of a certain drug in the bloodstream decreases by 15% in 1 hour. A person takes 125 milligrams of the drug, and I want to know what is the concentration of the drug after 3 hours and also after 1 day. Now, refresh your memory. Remember, you do not just easy peasy go in there and put down 0.15 in the power into the decay factor. Remember, this is now f of x equals, the starting value is 125, and your decay factor is, because it's decay, it's 1 minus, not 1 plus, okay? So 1 minus 0.15 is 0.85 to the power of x. So that equation represents that situation. Hope you can see that okay. Go this way. And now it's just a matter of replacing x with the number of hours. So we know x is the power of 3. When I get x is equal to 3, I get f of x is equal to 76.77. And now, do I put 1 in place of x or 24? You got to put 24. When x equals 24, I bet you're going to be really close to 0 of this drug being in your bloodstream. It comes down to exactly 2.53. It's as basic as that, guys. I will see you guys in class to answer any outstanding questions, but hopefully this little lesson tutorial is a refresher from what we did before break. But I will see you all in class.